Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we'll be solving the problem example 1.21. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems. The video link is in the description box below. Do check it out. It should be helpful for you. Now, we can see the problem example 1.21. Now we can see the question now. If f of x equals 3x minus 2, g of x equals 2x plus k, and if f of g is equal to g of f, then find the value of k. Here what is given? F of x is given, g of x is given, and also what we have to find out is, if the value of f of g and g of f is equal, then we need to find the value of k. Okay. So here f of g, that is coming under the concept of composition of functions. Okay. In my previous video, the whole explanation about this composition of function is there. If you haven't watched that, do check it out. The video link is in the description box below. And now we are going to solve the problem now. Now we can start solving the problem. Here I have written the question. The question is, if f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, g of x is equal to 2x plus k, and if f of g is equal to g of f, then find the value of k. First, we have to write the given information. What is given in the question? In the question, f of x is given and g of x is given. So we should write the given data first. What is f of x? F of x equals 3x minus 2 and g of x equals 2x plus k. We need to check whether f of g equal g of f is g of f or not. Okay, we have to check this f of g equal g of f. Now for finding f of g, what's the expansion of this f of g? We can write f of g as f of g of x. This is the expansion of f of g. If you check out example 1.19, the concept of composition of function is there. This f of g is coming under the composition of function. So if you check out that video, this problem will be very easy for you. Now, after this step, what we have to do is, here we are going to apply g of x. Then what should be the answer? G of x value is 2x plus k, right? And then what would be the next step? For composition of function, what would be the next step? First step, we have to apply the second function, right? And in first function, we have to apply that result. First, what we have to do is, first we need to apply the second function. We'll be getting some answer. In first function, you're going to apply that answer. Okay, this is the concept of composition of function. What is the first function and the second function here? This f of x is first function. Okay, g of x is second function. Now I have applied the second function here. I'm getting this answer. So I'm going to apply this answer in the first function in place of x. I have to substitute this x with this value. That is the rule. Okay. That is the concept of composition of function. We need to follow these steps. So, what is f of x? 3x minus 2, right? So, now f of x is equals 3x minus 2. So I'm going to apply this value in place of x in this formula. So what would be the answer? 3 into x value is 2x plus k, right? 2x plus k minus 2. And then what for, after simplification, you can see what would be the answer. Now, we have to multiply this 3 with the 3 with this 2x plus k. 3 into 2 x 6x, right? 6x plus 3 into k 3k and then minus 2. This is the answer of f of g. Okay. Then this is the answer of f of g. Then next, what we need to find out? G of f. So what is the expansion of g of g of f of x? Okay, first we need to apply the second function. What is the second function? I mean, what is the f of x? F of x is here. I'm writing f of x and g of x that is given in the question. F of x is equal to 3x minus 2 and then 2x plus k g of x. So I'm applying 3 f of x value here, 3x minus 2. Okay, this is the first step. And next is what step? What we have to follow? In first function. Now, here what is the first function? Here g of f, right? G is first function, f is second function, right? So g means g of x, f means f of x. So here g of x is the first function, f of x is second function. So I have applied the second function first, and then in g of x function, I'm going to substitute this value in place of x. So what should be the answer? This formula I'm going to apply in this formula. So 2 into x value is 3x minus 2. Then plus k. Then what is the next step? Next step is 2 into 3x, 6x minus 2 into 2, 4 plus k. Plus k. So this is the answer of g of f. In the question, what is given? If f of g equal g of f, then find the value of k. So what we have gotten for f of g? 6x plus 3k minus 2 and g of 6x minus 4 plus k. according to the question, what would be the next step? We are going to write this equals this. From that only we are going to find out the value of k. So what is the value of f of in the question? What is given? If f of g equal g of f, then how can we write next step? Next step would be like we need to write the answer of f of g. What we have gotten right. 6x plus 3k minus 2 is equal. G of f value is 6x minus 4 plus k. Okay. Now we are going to take all the x value and k value right side, and only the numbers will be coming this side. Okay, right side. So I'm taking 6x here, plus x becomes minus, plus 6x becomes minus 6x when it comes to left side, and plus 3k. Next, this plus k becomes minus k when it comes to left side. And I'm going to take this number right to this side. Minus 2 become plus 2. And this minus 4 will be here. Now, this is plus 6x. This is minus 6x. We can cancel both, plus and minus. And 3k minus k. From 3k, we need to minus subtract 1k. Then 2k. Right? Answer would be 2k is equal to 2 minus 4. Answer is minus 2. Right? Then k would be minus 2 divided by 2. The answer is minus 1. This is the value of k. K value is minus 1. That is the answer of this problem. It's all about example 1.24. This much I had in this video, and there is a homework for today. Homework is exercise 1.5 second problem. If you follow this today's video, that is example 1.21, you can solve this second question. Okay, find the value of k such that f of g is equal to g of f. Same thing, same concept you should follow. This is the homework for today. This much I had in this video. We'll see in another video. I hope this video helpful. If it is helpful, give the thumbs up, share it with your friends. For more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.